Hello girls, once again. Sorry for the inconvenience because that video has stopped in between. So once again, we'll recall the story. That is, here in this story, there are two little girls. One name is Malasha and the other one is Akolia. On a rainy day, what happens? It is a season, winter season, and Easter time. What they are doing, they are wearing a new frock and they are visiting a church. And after visiting church, what they do, they are coming and showing their frocks to each other. And after that, what happens? They started playing in the mud, in the watery area, but they forgotten about the dress. That is the new dress. And what they are doing, they are enjoying and they are playing. And after that, Malasha wants to step into the that mud, the puddle, that place. And Akolia wants her not to do so because it will dirt the shoes and the stocking and the dress, etc. For that, Malasha is telling, I'm taking off my shoes and stockings, you two do the same thing and we will enjoy. And they are doing the same thing and they started enjoying. And Akolia is warning to keep the step very carefully, but she's carelessly she comes in the puddle and it is splashed into her Akolia's frock, that is the mud. Okay, and Akolia's frock becomes very dirty. Is it clear? And by seeing that thing, Malasha becomes very frightened, scared, because Akolia will do something to her. For that, what she is doing, she is running away from that place. By that time, what happens? Her mother, that is Akolia's mother, comes there and grabs her and asks about the thing. Is it clear, ma? Okay. Then what happens? Akolia's mother grabs Malasha and she asks Akolia that what happened and why she has become very dirty. The time she says that Malasha has splashed her and her frock becomes dirty. So that Akolia's mother beat her, that is Malasha, to beat Malasha. Is that clear? Malasha began to howl, that is a cry, a big, in a very noise, okay, that can be heard by the full street. So by hearing her sound, her mother came, that is Malasha's mother comes there and asks about the thing, what happened to her, and she started quarreling with Akolia's mother. And the quarrel started, and it becomes very a big issue there. It developed in a debate, debate. Is that clear? And they both are accusing one another, and the men comes there, and everyone comes there, and they started accusing one another. By that time, Akolia's grandmother comes and wants to calm the situation, but what happens? They are not at all listening. They are only shouting, and they push off grandmother on her feet, and she is not able to control the thing. And after some time, what happens? The two little girls, that is Akolia, wipes her mud from her frock, and she is taking some stone and digging that place and making a channel, making a way, then only the water can flow. So that they are doing, and Malasha also going and taking some stick, and she is also doing the same thing, and they have created a way so that the water should not stand, and the water will flow easily. And they started doing so, and the water flows. They are also coming in that flow, one on each side. Is it clear? Then what happens? For that, by seeing that scene, Akolia's grandmother says that just look at that two little soul. They are very nice. They have forgotten their grief or quarrel or anything, and they started playing again and they started doing their work. But you people as elder, you don't have anything, or you don't have any sense about the relations. Is it clear? And the grandmother is telling that by watching those two little girls, she says that they are wiser than you, and you people are very ashamed. And what happens? That village people, by seeing themselves, they're laughing, and they went back to each other's home and they started doing their own work. Is it clear? Okay. Then at last, except you turn and becomes as little children, you shall in no wise enter into the kingdom of heaven. That is, the moral of the story is, children forget and forgive very easily, but elders do not do so. Okay, so what we have to do is, we have to become like a children, we have to behave like a children to forget and forgive very easily. Is that clear, ma? Have you understood everything? Okay. Okay, girls, thank you so much for your patience listening. If you have any doubts, please do ask, girls. Then only I can clarify your doubts. Okay, girls, take care. Bye bye. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.